YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, Retro gang, man. This your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Manny's Kicks, coming back at you in the shoebox. Look, hope everybody enjoying their day today. Y'all know the routine by now, right? Well, if you don't, go ahead, hit that like button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That means share this video. As well as you want to become a part of this movement, go ahead and subscribe up. You never know, we're going to keep hitting y'all over here with this heated content. So look, like I said, I really hope y'all enjoying your day today. Today is March the 2nd. Don't worry. I'm going to try to hit y'all with 2 to 3 videos a day. So this one's going to be kind of brief, but I don't want to take away from the shoe. So we're going to hop right into it real quick. Shout out to St. Alfred. Yeah, you see what's going on. The gift that always keep giving. Chicago, I appreciate you. Shout out to St. Alfred for letting your boy and your girl Maddie come home with the bag. This pair was supposed to release like February 28th. I think they did overseas. They let this pair go during All-Star Weekend. So once again, shout out Chicago All-Star Weekend 2020. Not gonna hold you up anymore. Let's go. You see what's going on? Like the strings pair. Jerry, let's get into the shoe, man. Let's dissect this one for the gang. When I say Jerry, that's the guy, the actual designer of this shoe that did the collab with Nike. They're hitting you with that black up top. Of course, you got the black up top. You got the black laces. Coming to the toe box, you still got that oatmeal. I do have that pair of oatmeal. You got that suede feeling here, some nice suede action. This part here is 3M. Right here at the toe box is 3M. Come around to the back of the shoe, you got Nike on the back, that classic Nike check. Then you got Fear of God. I hope everybody can see that. Forgive me, I will hit the wall. You know I will, so y'all can get a detailed and up close look at the shoe. On the back, it zips. Hold 1 second, gang. Let me unzip it. Unzip it so y'all can see what's going on. This is so people do not have the Fear of God. They're thinking about getting the Fear of God. As you can see, your boy got a couple of them. I like rocking with the Fear of God. And the inside, I like the way they feel too, man. I know they're expensive with the price point. If I didn't say the shoe was like $350 plus tax in your neck of the woods, but it's still a well put together shoe, in my opinion. You Fear God right here. Inside of the shoe comes with extra laces. You get like a cream colored set of laces here to go with the shoe. So you want to, kind of take the laces in and out. Do a lace makeover, like Maddie would say, a lace makeover. You kind of see what's going on. Let's get to the classic tissue paper inside of the shoe. See what's going on there. Hope that's coming up. You got the numbers in here actually, which is 8, 10, 24, 25. No, I apologize. 6, 10, 24, 25. Okay. So like I say, you got laces on this. Let's pull out the other Fear of God strings. Sheesh. These do come with lace locks. Y'all check my other video out. I did a video with the oatmeal. It comes with lace locks and extra toggles. Definitely extra laces. Once again, you get another set of laces, the bone color here. Yeah, if I didn't say, I love the bubble, man. I love this Max bubble. I just really, it's see-through. It brings character to the shoe. On the back, once again, you got Fear of God. Brown, like the coffee color laces here on this one, gang. Let me get back. Just making sure everybody can see the whole shoe. Like I say, I will hit the wall. Once again, shout out to St. Alfred, man, and the Retro gang and the Retro family for giving me this pair. Sheesh. You know what your boy say around here. Sheesh. Especially when I feel like I got some heat. Might not be heat to you, it's heat to me. Like I always tell everybody, man, your collection is your collection. Don't let nobody trick you out your collection, man. You work hard, and you work hard for them to get these shoes, and you pay for these shoes, so it's your shoe. Don't let nobody trick you, I don't rock it. Or, man, that's your opinion. Like I always tell you, you're entitled to your own opinion on this channel. So that's out the way real quick. Let me just show y'all the box if I didn't, and then as well as the tote bag. Retail $350, comes with the box. You do come with, like the rest of my Fear of Gods, you got a tote bag. Here's my tote bag for the rest of the Fear of Gods. This is the new one that came with it. Hope you can see you got the Air Fear of God, and then you got the Nike check on this one. That was my early look of the Fear Gods. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm going to hit the wall so we can kind of get detailed with the shoe. You know what, gang? Let's hit the wall. Let's do that now. The game, the wall.